Namaste, मैं हूँ उर्वशी अग्रवाल and today we will discuss how can we increase height of our kids. Many parents come to me concerned that they are genetically short and that's why their kids are also short. But not always genes play the role. See, Sachin Tendulkar is a short heighted man, still his son Arjun is almost 6'3". So, other than genes, there are many such factors which influence the height and growth of the kids. In order to increase your child's height, see that he or she has a balanced diet. She should have good amount of protein, carbs, fats, all inclusive in the diet. They should have good amount of dairy products, curd, so that their calcium content is high. They should have good amounts of nuts and seeds so that the good fat is high. They should have at least 2 to 3 eggs every day with the whole egg so that they have good amount of B12, good amount of protein, which is very important for the growth hormone for the height of the kid. They also have good amount of leafy vegetables like spinach, broccoli, peas, which increase the overall growth. Also, fruits which are high in vitamin C and vitamin A should be included. Banana, which is high on potassium and magnesium. One banana a day is very important for all the growing kids. Nowadays, kids spend almost half of their day in watching television, laptop, or playing video games. If you really want to increase height of your kid, please include activities like swimming, jumping, skipping, basketball, or maybe hanging on the rod. द साइंस बिहाइंड दिस इज जब आप स्विमिंग करते हैं तो आपकी बॉडी इन फ्रंट पॉस्चर में स्ट्रेच करती है विच इंक्रीजेज योर ग्रोथ सेम वेज जब आप स्किपिंग करते हैं बार बार आपका फुट ग्राउंड को टच होता है एंड दैट मोमेंट स्टिमुलेट्स द लिम्फेटिक सिस्टम और उस स्टिमुलेशन से ग्रोथ हार्मोन प्रोड्यूस होता है दैट इज HGH, दैट इज ह्यूमन ग्रोथ हार्मोन. सो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोटीन फीड करने से आपके बच्चे की हाइट नहीं बढ़ेगी. इट विल ओनली इंक्रीज इफ देर इज लॉट ऑफ growth hormone production in your body. So include activities like basketball. Again, the science, same jumping which is happening. If he is hanging on the rod, the spine gets, really stretched. So that's why the kid increase their height. हमारे बचपन में हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बोलते थे हाइट बढ़ानी है तो डंडे पे लटको. That was the logic. So hanging, skipping, swimming, please include these activities so that they can increase their height. Also, you need to keep a check on their sugar intake. Kids have lot of chocolates, ice cream, junk food, sugary aerated drinks. That is the reason उनकी बॉडी में शुगर लेवल बढ़ जाता है एंड वेन एवर द शुगर स्पाइक्स अप a hormone called somatostatin signals to your brain that stop producing growth hormone that is HGH. इसी का रीज़न है दैट जब भी बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा जंक खाते हैं देयर ग्रोथ हार्मोन स्टॉप and also their height. So keep a watch that they have junk food once in a while, not on a daily basis. Also, sleep plays a major role. Nowadays, I see that mothers don't let their kids sleep more than 6 to 7 hours, saying that itni need enough hai. But kids from 2 to 10 years need at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep. बिकॉज जो भी ग्रोथ होती है जो भी हार्मोन प्रोडक्शन होता है वो नींद में ही होता है सो जस्ट इन द रैट रेस ऑफ देम डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज डोंट डिप्राइव देम ऑफ स्लीप. वन मोस्ट important advice, stop comparing your child with other kids. Every kid is unique, tall or short, thin or fat. Every kid has their own unique characteristic. जब भी आप अपने बच्चे को दूसरे बच्चे के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं a lot of stress is created in their head. Maybe they are not able to show you, but that also hinders their growth. So enjoy their childhood. Do the best you can do as parents, but without comparison. Namaste.